In this video, I would like to show you how to disable comments on the media attachment page in WordPress. As you can see in this example, attachment page on my site features the image title at the very top, the image itself, and the comment section at the bottom, which includes few comments and the leave reply form right here. So this tutorial will demonstrate how to deactivate the comment section on a single attachment page. At first, let's log into WordPress dashboard and then hover on media and then select library. Currently, I'm in the list view, and as you can see, here's the list of images uploaded to my WordPress media library. To find the image in question, once again, let's go back to the attachment page, and let's just copy the image title. Let's copy it and then paste it in the search box right here. And then click on Search Media. And there's the media file in question. Let's go ahead and open it. Once it loads, at the very top, look for the screen options section, click on it, and then select discussion. Then scroll all the way to the bottom, and there should be discussion section right here. To disable the comments form, simply uncheck allow comments, and then update changes. Now let's click on the permalink, and there's the attachment page. As you can see, comments are closed and the comment form is no longer available. However, there are a few existing comments. In order to delete them, we can actually go back to the edit media and then once again click on screen options and then click on comments, and let's scroll all the way to the bottom. And then under comments section, click on show comments. And these are the sample comments visible on my attachment page. Let's start off by deleting the first one. Let's hover on it and then click on trash. And then let's do the same thing for the other one. Once again, let's click on trash. Now, in order to delete them permanently, click on comments. And then at the very top, click on trash. Now let's select both comments. Then click on bulk actions, delete permanently, and apply. And that's it. The comments should be fully deleted. Once again, let's go to the attachment page. Let's try refreshing it. As you can see, it now only shows the media title and the image itself. So that's all I want to show you in this short video. I hope you found it helpful. For more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.